morning, good evening, good night, and good day in so many countries. And this is His Royal Highness King Jeff Agbola. I'm here today to testify and connect and jubilate with the wonderful things that are going on in the United Arab Emirates, all the whole world, and different people in so many nations. And like you see, as I was being focused, and you see what is really going on, the United will stand, like I always tell you, United Arab Emirates with the 7 Emirates unite themselves with a good mind and good people. That's what I keep telling my African leaders and African people. Let's unite and do something reasonable. There's amnesty going on for people that have been 10 years, 5 years in UAE. You can exit and have 6 months visit. Wonderful thing by the sheikhs and the leaders. God bless you, Sheikh Mohammed. God bless Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, and the rest of the 7 Emirates. God bless all the leaders and all the foreigners and the visitors. And also bless His Royal Highness King Jeff Agbola, Ezendibe, one in United Arab Emirates. I keep telling you, be good, unite yourself, be in a nice spirit, and do something wonderful to yourself and to others. And don't be selfish. When you see good things happening around, jubilate with people, rejoice with people. So many people can have 6 months visa. Why? Because of the united of the leaders and the united of the people. God bless UAE, God protect UAE, and God keep them. I pray for UAE to go higher, 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 above all the expectations. I'm proud to be UAE, but in spirit, I'm African Nigerian. King Jeff Ezendibe, one in United Arab Emirates. I'm still your host, FJ the King. All of you already know. It is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. Share this video. Tell someone good thing is happening in UAE when the people understand the people and make people know that this is a place to be. Very safe and very quiet. God bless you. Thank you.